Have you ever found yourself caught in the contemplation of time, like grains of sand slipping through your fingers, leaving behind a sense of loss or missed opportunities? It's a sensation that strikes a chord with many of us. A moment of reflection on the journey we've traversed and the paths we might have taken differently. But amidst the whispers of regret and the shadows of what-ifs lies a profound revelation. The universe holds within its vast expanse a latent power, a power capable of restoring what we once believed to be lost forever. Think about the moments in your life when unexpected opportunities unfolded, or chance encounters altered your trajectory in unimaginable ways. These instances aren't mere coincidences. They are manifestations of the universe quietly working behind the scenes, nudging us towards paths of renewal and restoration. It's a reminder that even in our darkest moments, when hope seems but a flicker in the wind, there exists a silent force weaving the threads of destiny, guiding us back towards the light. The idea of the universe possessing the ability to restore what has been lost is as ancient as time itself. Across cultures and civilizations, from the teachings of ancient mystics to the latest scientific discoveries, there exists a pervasive belief in the interconnectedness of all things, a belief that the universe operates according to a grand cosmic design, constantly seeking equilibrium and harmony. Consider the ebb and flow of the tides, the changing of the seasons, or the intricate dance of celestial bodies in the night sky. These natural phenomena are but reflections of the universe's inherent tendency towards balance and restoration. And just as nature seeks to restore equilibrium, so too does the universe work tirelessly to restore what may have been lost or misplaced along the journey of life. But how does this restoration occur? It's a question that has puzzled philosophers, scientists, and seekers of truth for centuries. Some attribute it to the concept of fate, a predetermined course set in motion by cosmic forces beyond our understanding. Others see it as a manifestation of the law of attraction, a principle that states like attracts like, and positive energy begets positive outcomes. Regardless of the philosophical framework through which one views the universe, there is a consensus that restoration often manifests in subtle yet profound ways. It can be seen in the unexpected opportunities that arise when all hope seems lost, the chance encounters that alter the trajectory of our lives in unforeseen ways, or the moments of clarity that illuminate the path forward when darkness threatens to engulf us. Indeed, the universe's ability to restore is not confined to grand, sweeping gestures, but often reveals itself in the quiet moments. The whispers of intuition, the nudges of synchronicity, the gentle tugs of the heart that guide us back to where we need to be. It's a reminder that even in our darkest hours, when the shadows of doubt and despair loom large, there exists a flicker of light, a beacon of hope shining bright amidst the darkness. The journey of restoration is marked by myriad manifestations, both tangible and intangible, that serve as signposts along the path of renewal. At its core, restoration is about more than just reclaiming what was lost. It's about experiencing a deep sense of wholeness and fulfillment. It's about recognizing the abundance that surrounds us, not just in material wealth, but in the richness of our relationships, the joy of unexpected blessings, and the serendipitous encounters that leave a lasting impact on our lives. Consider the richness of human relationships, the bonds of friendship, the warmth of family, the love between partners. These connections are a testament to the abundance that exists within and around us, nourishing our souls and enriching our lives in immeasurable ways. And just as relationships can be sources of abundance, so too can moments of unexpected joy and serendipity. Imagine stumbling upon a breathtaking sunset or receiving a kind gesture from a stranger when you least expect it. These moments of grace are reminders that even in the midst of life's challenges, there is beauty to be found, joy to be experienced, and abundance to be celebrated. But perhaps the most profound manifestation of restoration is the transformation that occurs within us, the deep inner shifts that propel us towards growth, healing, and self-discovery. It's about shedding old patterns and beliefs that no longer serve us and embracing new ways of being that align with our highest selves. At the heart of the restoration journey lies hope, a beacon of light that pierces the darkness, guiding us through the labyrinth of uncertainty and adversity. Hope is not just wishful thinking. It's a potent force, a catalyst for change that empowers us to envision a brighter tomorrow. It's what sustains us in our darkest hours, giving us the strength to persevere when all seems lost, to keep moving forward in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds. But hope is more than just a passive state of being. It's an active choice, a decision to embrace the possibility of a better future, to align ourselves with the universe's greater purpose. It's about recognizing that we are part of something greater than ourselves, that we are all interconnected, all woven into the intricate tapestry of existence, each thread essential to the whole. Finding alignment with the universe's purpose is a profound aspect of the restoration journey. It's about recognizing and embracing our unique role in the cosmic dance of creation, about aligning our thoughts, words, and actions with the greater cosmic order. It's about surrendering to the flow of life, trusting that everything happens for a reason, even when we can't see the bigger picture. One practical way to cultivate hope and alignment with the universe's purpose is through daily rituals and practices that connect us to our inner wisdom and intuition. This could include meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature, activities that quiet the mind and allow us to tune into the deeper currents of our being. By making these practices a regular part of our routine, we can strengthen our connection to the universe and cultivate a sense of trust and faith in the unfolding of life's journey. Another powerful tool for cultivating hope and alignment is through the practice of gratitude. Taking time each day to reflect on the things we're grateful for, whether it's the love of friends and family, the beauty of nature, or the simple pleasures of everyday life, can shift our perspective from one of scarcity to one of abundance. By focusing on the blessings that surround us, we can open ourselves up to the flow of positive energy and invite more abundance into our lives. Building on the concept of gratitude, another practical tip for cultivating restoration is to create a gratitude journal. This could be a physical notebook or a digital document where you jot down 3 things you're grateful for each day. By making this a daily practice, you'll train your brain to focus on the positive aspects of your life, which can help shift your overall mindset towards one of abundance and gratitude. Another practical tip is to practice mindfulness and presence in your daily life. This could involve simple activities like taking a walk in nature, savoring a meal, or engaging in deep breathing exercises. By bringing your attention fully to the present moment, you can reduce stress and anxiety, increase your sense of peace and well-being, and create space for clarity and insight to emerge. Furthermore, incorporating mindfulness practices into everyday activities can foster a deeper sense of connection with the present moment. Whether it's mindful eating, mindful walking, or simply taking a few moments to pause and breathe deeply throughout the day, these practices can anchor us in the here and now, allowing us to experience life more fully and authentically. Additionally, seeking out opportunities for self-care and nourishment can play a significant role in the restoration process. This may involve carving out time for activities that bring you joy and replenish your spirit, whether it's indulging in a hobby, spending time with loved ones, or simply taking a moment to relax and unwind. By prioritizing your well-being and honoring your needs, you can cultivate a greater sense of balance and resilience in the face of life's challenges. Another practical tip for cultivating restoration is to engage in acts of kindness and service towards others. Research has shown that helping others not only benefits the recipient, but also brings immense satisfaction and fulfillment to the giver. Whether it's volunteering your time, offering a listening ear to a friend in need, or performing random acts of kindness for strangers, these acts of generosity can foster a sense of connection and purpose that is essential for restoration and renewal. Finally, embracing a mindset of curiosity and openness can invite new possibilities and opportunities for growth into your life. Instead of viewing setbacks or challenges as roadblocks, try reframing them as opportunities for learning and expansion. Adopting a growth mindset allows you to approach life with a sense of optimism and resilience, knowing that every experience, whether positive or negative, has the potential to contribute to your personal evolution and transformation. The journey of restoration is a profound and transformative process that invites us to reclaim our sense of wholeness, abundance, and purpose. By tapping into the innate power of the universe and aligning ourselves with its greater purpose, we can cultivate hope, resilience, and renewal in our lives. Through practices such as gratitude, mindfulness, self-care, and acts of kindness, we can create a fertile ground for restoration to take root and flourish. As you embark on your own journey of restoration, Remember that you are not alone. The universe is always conspiring in your favor, working behind the scenes to guide you towards greater fulfillment and joy. Trust in the process, embrace the lessons along the way, and know that brighter days are ahead. May you find peace, healing, and abundance on your path of restoration. And may you experience the profound transformation that comes from reclaiming your true essence and purpose. As we come to the end of this journey of restoration and renewal, I want to express my sincere gratitude to each and every one of you for joining me on this exploration. Your time and attention mean the world to me, and I hope you found value and inspiration in the insights shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What resonated with you the most from today's discussion? Do you have any personal experiences or stories of restoration and renewal that you'd like to share? I invite you to leave your thoughts, reflections, and questions in the comments below. Your input not only enriches the conversation, but also creates a supportive community where we can learn and grow together. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with someone you care about, and subscribing to the channel for more profound and empowering videos. Your support is invaluable and helps us reach more people who may benefit from these messages. Thank you once again for watching, and until next time, take care and stay tuned for more thought-provoking content.